Hi, Bill. How are you today?
Good. Hi, Kelly.
Hi. So, how was your design consultant that came to your home?
Very good. Very good.
Oh, great. Were they efficient and kind of showed you some color styles and different things like that?
Yeah, we showed him everything, and he did
Great.
a really good job because my wife's very picky.
Right? Most women are.
She had to have the exact color.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I
And
mean?
did they get the best? That's good to be able to match it the best because when we run out, we'll run out, you know?
Yeah.
So that's great.
That reminds me about getting the other rooms done.
Yes,
We gotta
yeah.
make sure we get the same stock.
Right? Try to get it all at the same color. And I see your floors turned out really, really nice.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. And then how were the installers that came in?
Very good.
Okay.
Very cordial. Very friendly.
Great.
Good worker. They were dashing all over the place because I guess they have a lot of work to do.
Did they get it done though?
Yeah, they got it done.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then how was the overall experience with the express flooring?
Very good. I'm pleased.
Good.
I'm
Yay.
pleased. I put off calling for, I don't know, several weeks. I just kept not doing it.
Right,
And
right.
Once in a while, one of the commercials will pop up in TV.
We taunt you, huh?
There you go. There you go.
Well, thank you so much, Bill, for having me today. You enjoy your beautiful floors and the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.